all our joinees on Zoom and on Facebook, do put in your name and the passion that is close to your heart, the passion that makes you smile. We would love to connect with all of you. You can see on the screen the QR code which you can scan and become a part of our Glitz community. Again, a very good evening. Welcome, and we shall start in just a short while.
Hello and good evening, everyone. Team Glitz and I welcome you to this lovely evening. We shall be starting in just a short while from now.
A very
Team
good
Glitz
evening
and
to
I
all
welcome
our
in on
viewers
this
who have
lovely
joined us
Sunday
on Zoom
evening,
and
where
on
all of you
Facebook.
shall be
Welcome
starting
to
in
Glitz.
just a short
Also,
while
we
from
would
now.
love
For
to
the
know
first
about
time
until
ever
now in the world.
we would love to know
Glitz
where
is
all of you have
presenting
joined
the
from
Passion
and your
Awards.
city where you live.
Tune in
And
tomorrow,
also,
the Friday
which
on
is
the
that
14th
passion
of
we would
August
love to know about, the
2020
passion which
at
is
6
close to
o'clock.
your
We
heart.
would love to
know your
witness
answers.
this beautiful
Your
evening
name in the chat
with
box
the
and the
winners
city or the
from the
country
participants
that
of
you have
our
joined
past
all the people who
30
have joined
episodes.
us on Facebook.
So
Please
audience,
put
get
where you
ready
have joined
as we
in from
talk
as
to
to
our
where
guests
you
today.
live and what
One
is the
who has the
passion
passion of
which is close
sculpting
to your heart.
and the other who has the passion of playing the saxophone. To the audience,
Please put your
we
name,
will be recording
the
this
city
episode
and
for
the
quality
country where you have
purposes.
joined in from. We have a lot
Glyphs
of people who have been
essentially
joining from
means
across
the
the globe,
representation
and we
of a
welcome all
character.
of you
And
to
what
our
better
channel
way there is
Glyphs.
to identify
We
what a
have Vinay
person
here who
truly
has
is
joined in all the way from
than to
Atlanta. Also,
observe
please
and
visit
what he
all our
knows
other
from
guests
within
who
him.
have joined in from
And
different
that's
parts.
why the
Create,
name
connect,
Glyphs.
and express, and of course our very
It
own
also
Pune
stands
can
for being
become
a
a
symbol
part
that
of our
represents
growing
something
Glyphs
beyond the
community.
face value. The three symbols or the three glyphs that you saw in the logo represent what the concept is all about.
Please
They
visit
stand
our
for
Facebook page,
create,
that's Facebook page
connect,
link, which you can see
and
on your
express.
chats. Do visit
Or
our
you
page.
become a
We would love to interact with all of you.
Like we
community.
all know, hashtag passion matters.
And we shall just begin in a moment.
Glyphs is a channel where you indulge in to identify
Again,
the
welcome
passion
to everyone.
created within you.
We shall be starting
Connect with
just
each
a
other
while.
and openly and ingenuously express your thoughts and passions. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of like-minded people who share a common drive to passion. Passion is the force that motivates you to achieve success and happiness to build a better life. It is something that allows you to be inherently yourself. Passion can be music,
Glyphs
particular
essentially
art,
means the
you have to
representation of a
really be
character.
formally trained
And what
in
better
it.
way
Good
there is to
evening,
identify
namaskar,
what a
Mahesh
person
Anzali,
truly
welcome
is
all of you
a
than
sculptor
to
who
observe
has busted
what
this
he
myth,
loves from within
an
him.
artist
a channel
who
where
has
we
been
show
trained
the
by his
glimpse
father
of your
and
unique.
comes
It
from
also
water
stands for
and
being a
most
symbol, interesting that
Mahesh has been
represents
following the
something
passion of
beyond
sculpting
the face value.
since the
Who
year
will be sharing
2013.
To
their
highlight
passions
what
with
we
us.
wish
He's
to do,
actually into
we have
advertising,
chosen
but he
bicycle
says
symbols
that after
and
completing
glyphs
an assignment,
to
he
represent what
rejuvenates
the
to the
essentially
next
means
one
the
by
representation of a
creating
character.
a
Symbols
sculpture.
or what you
And
just
what
saw
better
in
way
our
there
Even
is
lives.
to
while
judge
working, he says,
They
he has
stand
his
for
play right
truly
next
is
to him.
create
then
And
to
sometimes
identify
he
what he
creates
loves
it
from
even
within him.
while he is in the
Glyphs
middle
aims
of
to
it.
be a
Name
platform
glyphs.
where you
So
indulge
Mahesh,
in,
like I
stands
said,
to identify the
no
passion
formal
created
education
within
and
you,
yet
beyond the face
so
value.
much
connect with
passion.
each other,
And so,
and
How
openly
do you
and
formative years
ingenuously
in learning
we
this
have
art?
chosen
We would love
your
to know.
thoughts
Over
and
to you,
passion.
Mahesh.
glyphs
Now,
to
as to
represent
why we
what the
started this
concept
channel,
is all about.
all of us have
And
that
these
one
symbols
thing in
are
our
what you
life
just saw in the
that
logo.
makes us really,
They
really
stand
happy.
for create,
You might call it a
connect,
liking,
and
a
express.
Yes,
talent,
Mahesh,
a
over to you.
desire,
CC,
or
Good
even
evening,
a
good
passion.
evening,
like
and
we love
hello.
to say,
It is that
Namaskar.
one thing which is
Passion matters.
completely unique
Thanks
to
for
you.
joining
Glyphs
this
aims to be a
It can be
online
that you love
talk
to
indulge
sing
in
where I'm going
or
to
play
share
an
my
instrument.
the passion
sculptural
created
journey.
You could
within
be
you,
passionate about
Uh,
photography,
each
Savita,
other,
painting,
and
as
openly
I
and
or
continuously
well,
told
express
you,
your
even
thoughts
I'm not
experimenting with
a
cooking.
academically
Now,
trained
as this might be something
sculptor.
that you are not
I never
necessarily
went to
doing
that
as
school
one
for
thing in our
like
doing as your
training
work.
purpose
Happy.
sculptures.
It is
Yes,
better
I
if
went
you
to
have
art
a
school
passion
for other
that helps
purpose.
you
talent,
unwind
Here I
and
learned
even
everything,
enjoy
whatever
your
I'm
own
doing
company.
from my
It is
father.
that one
The
thing
reason
that
My
why
is
we
father
thought
was
we
good
create
unique
this
artist,
to us.
channel
and
was
he
that there
started
would be
one
that you
small
all become a
workshop
part of a community
for
of
making
people
Ganpati.
that
As
are
you know,
bound
You could be
I'm
together
passionate about
part of
by
Stanley.
photography,
mutual
painting,
love and
respect.
We started
or
that.
even
We
about
started
preserving
that,
the
and then
environment.
It is
at the
meant to
age of 4,
encourage
5,
us
I
to
was
keep
just
pursuing our
you are
I
passion.
not
was kid and
necessarily
was
doing
It is
as
enjoying
your
meant
that
work.
to have a group of
whatever
people
material which is available.
who
It would be
see,
better if you have a
learn,
passion
I
and
was
that helps you
appreciate
to
imitating
the
my father,
things
unwind
that
and
whatever
you
he
do.
do.
enjoy your own
And as I
company.
grow
It is also
6,
an
7,
avenue
8
reason
years,
why
where
we
you
I
can
thought to
find
started
create
out
this
about the
channel
so
capturing that
many,
thought,
many different
whatever
kinds
he
of
does.
activities
So it was
that
a
could
really
potentially
become a
become
community
your
that are
passion.
bound
He never
together
taught
by
you have
mutual
to do
love
this
and
or that.
What
respect
we are here
But
to
for
do.
and
all
then
kinds of passion.
Create,
that
It is
gives
meant
me
to encourage and
creating my
express
own world.
passions.
So
It is
by
and
meant
so
to have a
again,
group of
age
good
of
people
evening,
10
and
years,
here we
I
are once
started
more
learn and
helping
on this
appreciate the
lovely
to do
things
Sunday
that you
evening
do.
on the
to do
24th
episode.
small
episode
It is
of our
also an
channel
avenue
Ganesh
Glyphs.
where
items
you can
or
see
Find
paintings,
out
something like that.
about the so
By
My
10,
many
name
I
is
think I was
Kavita
different
ready
Vasidi,
things
to
and
take
join me
entire
kind
as
of
I
activities
introduce you to the
that
so
passions of our
entire
guests
responsibility of
who will be
our
sharing
workshop
their world
and
with
on my
that's
us today.
shoulders.
exactly what we are here to
Anish
do.
Kare,
That
a
from that I
barista
was
with a
doing
passion
a
for
lot of
coffee,
And express.
and Rohan
Ganesh
So
Golwalkar
music.
moving on
with
to
a
our
So
first
passion
in
for
my
guest,
writing
sculpture
poetry.
there is a
Ganesha
wonderful
is a
To
quote
vision
all
by
our
for me.
Sir
viewers on
Albert
See,
Facebook
Einstein.
and on
second thing,
Zoom,
He says
thank you
life
so
is
much
like
for
riding
joining
a
in,
when I
bicycle.
start,
and we
when
look
I
In
forward to
talking
order
of
your
to
basic
keep
comments
your
information
and
or
your
balance,
basic
you
appreciations
must
understanding
on the
of
chat
doing
experiment.
box,
clay,
also on
handling
Zoom,
clay.
Raju
and
Desai
also on Facebook.
40 years
This
of
see,
So
balancing
time to
basically
move on to our
many
first
education
people or
guest.
and
many
passion perfectly.
There
people
are people
they
who
do
cannot start the
Ganesh
day
Murti
without
from
having
Passion
a
that
wood,
freshly
requires
and
brewed
that
cup
is
of
not
coffee.
fitness,
that is not
a
They love
strict
coffee
health
so
regime,
much
challenging
a
my
that they
healthy body,
sometimes call
and
part,
a
themselves
flexible
right?
mind.
Because
coffee
anybody can
Traveling
do
and
the
any
world
helping
job.
on his
people
bicycle
to
So
get
I
addicted
encourage
solo
to
people
this
without
addiction.
who
any
can give
backup,
me more
Anish
challenging
Kare,
being
work.
a
completely
barista
So in
with a
self-supported
Harne,
passion
and
of
meeting
Bombay
new
coffee.
area,
people from new
Since the
we
cultures.
have a
very
very
young age of
large
20,
This has what
family
has
his
become
love to
the
brew
community
passion
coffee,
that
of
drives
fishermen,
Raju.
making art on
right?
it. So again,
And
it
So
gives
it's a
me great
great
they
pleasure
pleasure
to
to
gave me that
invite
invite
you
you
here.
opportunity.
I am
on your
Nitika
They
podcast,
come
Vastamta
to
that
see
Vasthi,
drives
and
in
I
me.
shall
my
be taking you
we
through
do
with
around
our
Now,
guest
he
today.
is a certified coffee
all the
brewers,
guests,
and
because
we
to
dream
all
our
our
viewers
viewers
will
before
be
we
starting. Please put your
Indian
comments coming in the chat box and remember to select why coffee and attendees. How did this everyone knows what your thoughts are. Also to our viewers on Facebook,
Okay,
hi
we
we
everyone.
would love to know your
My name is
comments
Anish
and your
and I'm a
appreciation.
barista, as Kavita mentioned.
Having said that, Raju, that brings me to the first
I would like
question
to tell
for
you all
today.
that I am an
Most of
art
us do know that a
enthusiast
lot
as
of
well.
people like traveling on the
So,
cycle,
like
but
three
they
and a half years
normally
ago when
travel
I
in groups.
had my first cup of
What is
coffee
it
in a
about
cafe,
this passion
it was
that
a
made you decide
beautiful
that you want wanted to
latte
travel
with
solo.
And
really
Raju,
good
over
art.
to you.
every story,
And as an
every
art
narration is
enthusiast,
different.
I
So you
wondered
cannot
that
use
can this art be made only
Kavita,
with
I
the big
learned
machines?
lot
Can
of
they
solo
be
things.
made at
didn't
home
start
Per day, I
also?
think
right from
And
the
that's when
beginning.
I
instructed
started
around
For
7, 8
doing coffee
I
art at
too
home with
traveled
instant
with groups
coffee.
in the
forms
beginning,
from the
And in
just
big
2018, I
groups of
from
started
20,
with my
25,
so
Instagram
that gives
page,
me
and
great
and
then
that
it
is
motivation
reduced
when,
to
to
by
five,
following
perform.
three,
different
two,
pages and
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 different
maybe
baristas
last
around
couple
the
master
of
on
world,
the
I got
quality
months or
exposed
so.
to the
systems,
whole new
because
Yeah,
world of
solo
in
are very
Ganesha
easy to
you
plan.
cannot do
from that
You're
point, I
absolutely
was
on
very
your own.
curious about
You
I
knowing
can
will.
more and
plan
more
the
about
There
long
it has
coffee.
to
durations.
be
Like there are
You can
different
what you
really,
aspects.
when you're
follow
on the
from
There's
move,
inside,
there are
growing,
that
there's
will
mistakes,
say
but
roasting,
you
there's no
click
brewing
blame
and
game.
coffee, and of
it
And
course
will
there
go
is
if
art
you
again
also.
more
even try
steps.
to just
This
arrange a
So I
lunch or a
curiosity
dinner
is
from
what
that,
these
makes me
and
days,
stick
then
to
you
it's
coffee.
have to change your
gradually
menu. And when
gradually I
you
That's
trained
it. We normally,
participate,
when we
so
have
going
coffee,
solo
we
completely.
don't
becomes
even think
much
about
Then
the
easier for
different
you.
things
after
that could be
12th,
involved in
I
And
making a
once
joined
you're
art
coffee.
on the
school
move,
So, as a
where my
barista, since you say you
you
do
have
specialization
to
the
be
coffee,
really
applied.
Anish,
disciplined.
But
what is
okay,
Nobody's
it
there
that
to
again that
makes
tell
applied
you
you
art
this
helped
different,
late
me
or
night,
what is
because
it that
there
makes
were
you
a
so
lot
nobody
of
is there to
unique
pick you
in
up
the kind of art
and
that you're
detailing,
trying to
say,
do?
Raju, come
lot
on,
of
the
you
sun
take
is up,
a
you have
lot
to
of
go. You have to be
So
really
references.
disciplined to
So
I've
in
be a
seen
me, I
solo.
many
added that
baristas
art
around the
And
for the
world,
next
most
generation.
and
one thing I've
what I
really
have
Innovation
noticed
realized
of
is
the
there
over a
are
period
whatever
generally
is
two
technology you
types
once
of
have.
if you're
baristas.
really
Suppose I
solo,
want
Ones are those
you
who
keep on
make a
meeting new
Ganpati
people.
explore the
on a
If you're in
flavors
a
field.
of the
group,
So I
you
coffee,
tend
take
to
explore the
a
different
reference.
brewing
discuss the
techniques of the
same things
Suppose I
coffee.
again and
want
again.
And there is
to
a
make
From here
a
to
second part,
Barcelona
or the
and
second
Ganpati,
Tapa
type
some
of
to
other.
Korea and
baristas
So
who
I
focus
Dubai,
on
then
art.
always I go for the
So
reference.
there
so
are
And
different
if you're
I will tell
competitions
you one
alone,
on
fun
world
part.
level for
yes,
doing
people
latte
can
art
approach you,
See,
actually.
you can approach
somebody
people.
So
suppose come
as
to
these
And
are
me,
two
okay, I want a
types,
unless
Ganpati
you are
on
I've
alone,
Tuesday.
seen very
how
few
can
So
a
he has
baristas
to
who
we
beautiful
focus
have to
lady
on
will
both
appreciate
at the
it.
approach you
same
for a
time.
cup of
So we
So
coffee
ask
or
one
a
of my
glass of wine?
Are
inspirations
Baba
Solo
at
is
the
always
monk
Bagala
from
Lagna.
Nepal,
better, and
he's
I
one
want
of
a
those,
reference.
and
Without
he
reference, I
inspires
how
me
can
a
I
but
lot to
talk?
be
once you are
like
a
that.
I
solo,
can
Explore
you
the
get
it's
hooked
what
coffee
you
onto
are
as
it.
well,
You
Ganesha.
tend to
So
go
do the
solo
he
art as
again and
well.
again.
go back
So
and give
as I
Amazing.
have
Wow, that
an,
was a new one. A
a
cup of
hand
and
of an
coffee and a
then
cup of
artist,
he take
I
the
have
wine.
done 2
Ganpati
years
I
of
hope the
on.
audience is
architecture
listening to
also.
that. All
So
Again,
I
right.
when
have
we go
got
to the
that
color
So to the
skill
skill
of
audience,
last week,
drawing.
imagine
now I
traveling
So
am
around
giving
the
my
I
world
can
giving
literally
some
where
draw
there is
reference.
no
anything on your cup
Google,
of
So
milk
that
no
way,
coffee.
maps,
perhaps
So
Netflix,
I
everywhere
think
no
that's
kind of
me
it's a
support.
unique.
fun part.
So,
And
how do you have
okay,
any kind of an
but yes,
experience that you can share with us
observation.
where you've
Over
done
to
this
you,
We
kind of
learn
Kavita.
thing
from the art
with
school that
somebody that you've
observation
served?
and imitation,
See,
right?
So,
Observation and
one of our
so I
first
guess
rides
we have
was
some
utilization that
photos to
Australia
observation
show.
into real
in
work.
2013. We're
So
just
Can
three
we
that
of
see the
us,
craft
photos?
was
and
involved and
Yeah.
evolved.
So
Right?
that is
So and it
at the
helps
very
me
everybody
in
beginning when
my
I started.
further study also.
Then
But
Kedar,
after
myself,
I
after
saw
and
joining art
many
school,
Pankaj.
baristas doing. I tried to
And
replicate
in
their
applied art,
designs.
this
self-supporting
You can
means
see it in the
everybody
next
has a
not
slide.
that
first
useful.
doubt
So
that
almost
what about if the
20
So
SAG
this
gets
years
might
after
you
slightly
I
guys
stunted?
started
must have
working in the
But
seen
it's
this
industry,
design
much
in
I
the
was
easier
back.
to
busy with
handle
So
my
this is one of
and
the
school
very
not
and
at all
common
difficult.
designs. When I
And the
doing
first
started
trip
doing my
I
own
was
was
designs,
almost
nothing
33
in
days
that
can we
in
take the slide forward?
whatever
2013. There were
Yeah.
no,
So
we didn't
that
have
clay
is
work.
Google Maps
Abhinandan
then.
Varthaman when
So
he
We didn't
came
have
back
them.
to India from
Neither
Pakistan.
in
was Google
2010
Translate
Can we
available.
go to the
everything
next
was
slide?
And
settled down.
That's
countries like
the
So
Vietnam,
I thought,
Avengers
Cambodia,
see
logo,
what I'm doing.
which I
nobody
It's
speaks
not
English.
my
recently
Nobody
passion.
means
I'm
nobody.
doing
No,
art.
even the
Everything is
people
I'm
in
doing for
the
my
Lovely. No, no, so
immigration,
earning my
they speak
I
English.
can also
So it's
write
so.
on
really
coffee. So
difficult
But
that
to
was
I'm not fulfilling my
the writing
communicate.
style
course.
I
But
used to have
slowly
last
So
get
year.
I
used to
You
it.
can
started
see
Our
painting
some
hand gestures are the best
initially
picture of
because
way
I
that.
have
to
very good
communicate.
Indian
Can we go
And
and
ahead?
then
we
I
Yeah.
traveled
done a lot of
from
So
33
online
days.
courses
We
in
were on
India.
on
challenge is called Inktober,
also
which is
one-
31
one
days of
studio,
October.
I was,
You have 31 different
gone there.
biggest lesson
topics
And
to
one of
sketch
the
on.
head
So
of the
mostly people
department
do it
saw
on
me and
But it hardly
there
mattered.
were
on
clays.
paper,
Went there
or
and I started
now
Not a
people are
single
doing
day
it
it so
digitally
happened
also.
that we were to
But
do their
maybe I'm the
left on
first one
streets
to
or
do
Nice
it
to
on
know
video.
that you
get
could start
homestays,
after so many
get-
years.
and
He's
that
all of
actually
this.
done
there's
all
the
these
resort
Yes.
on
yourself, Anish.
This
Airbnb on
is
it.
lovely.
Actually,
Amazing.
so also the
2,300,
for the
2,400
turning towards the
kilometers
clay.
through 4 countries.
Wow, and
And
about
So
how
that
long
just
does it
shows
take you
the
to
kind
do
of effort
something
that
like this
Mahesh
on
put
one
into
cup
all
of
his
coffee?
realized
formative
it
years.
hardly
And
matters.
after all this, we have
So
some
actually,
lovely
the
pictures
setup
that Mahesh
takes
is going to
quite a
show to
while,
us.
like
Parag,
5 to 10
Anish,
minutes.
तुम्ही
how
But
विचारला आहे
when I have
मराठी
to
तर
draw it,
of
it's
course
done in 3 to
काही
4
गोष्टी
minutes.
ज्या मी
In short,
दाखवणार
if
आहेत
you
त्याला
could just tell
कदाचित
us,
भाषेची
amazing.
गरजच पडणार
So
नाही.
to all the
We have
guests
some
who
I
have
lovely
joined us
pictures
identify
today,
a region.
for
in
Mahesh.
case you
If
have
we can
any
just
kind
add
of
those there,
Google
questions
and
with
we're gonna
anything
take
to
it
find
do
out
further.
with
what
this,
is the best thing
please
to
put
see
them in the
there.
chat
Or
box
I don't
and
go
we
to the
will make
popular
sure that our
places.
guests
See,
answer
here
you
came
today
also one
for
thing.
the
This
second
work
end.
So
is
I was in the
especially
past. I
Wow,
like
so,
into
this is a
the country.
Anish,
I decide the time
of
frame.
course, we don't know
I
that
decide the
I
starting
am
point.
always
Anish
I
says
decide
that,
the
you know,
finish
most
point. I
people
decide
feel
the
that a
starting point. I
archaeological
barista
decide
work.
the estate
like
that
is
farmers,
only a
old
coffee
work,
chain.
there
Is that right,
and just,
Anish?
work which
Whereas
done
actually
in
a barista is
caves
someone
or
who makes
for our
your
2000
audience,
years
coffee.
back
If you have
or
any
3000
kind
years,
of
5000
question,
years
Yeah.
back.
for our
So this
guests,
is
let's give them in the chat box some
minutely,
similar
it's a
unknown facts
a
for coffee.
group of
For
animals.
the
They
next
are
time, I
living
think
there
our
and
audience
there and
gets
there.
lost. Something
So
which we call the
that
Raju and I
picture
go
is
to Google
captured.
Maps. Shall we
But
asking
this
you
is
some
not
questions
painted.
and
This
to
is
the
a
audience?
use of
Please
two
put your answers
different
on the
clays.
chat
One
box
is
and for
terracotta
those who are
and
not
one
asking
is
you all some questions
also
about
what is
Joy
that,
Bikes on Facebook.
ceramics.
We would love to know your
this
answers.
actual
Many of
work
us
with me.
have a little bit of knowledge. So the first question for today
Very
is
interesting.
conveyance. The
Very
most
sensitive,
expensive
very lovely
coffee
work.
gets ready for
And,
what we call the coffee
it's not
quiz.
painted.
To
I
the
have
audience,
two
when I
layers
ask the
and I
question,
scratch
we
it.
would like you to
Scratching
answer in the
and
chat
getting
box.
that
Again,
form
also
is
to our
really,
people on
really
Facebook, do
My
answer
question
in
to
the
you
chat
is,
box.
this thing you
Which
involve in
people
such
in
a
Zoom
way,
remember does this coffee come
so
from? And attendees
we
we are
can
giving
even
an answer.
imagine
Does this
how
come from? So to start with the first
prehistoric
question,
man or
it's not
Neolithic
Bali,
man,
it starts with
how they
Z.
carve,
Cat,
how they
yes,
use.
Apu, that
And
is
I
right.
enjoy that
20
feeling
meters.
because
The place where it
whatever I
comes
do, I
from,
just
it has a seating
transform.
Indonesia.
I
How
went
many
with
people? And
my,
the cat?
with my mind.
25. Anybody be knowing the
there.
name of the cat?
And
It is a
I
form
try
of
to
cat.
get that
It
feeling.
is a kind of a cat.
So
Yes,
this is
it
a
is the
small,
luwak that
tiny
is
one.
right. It
Yes,
is called
this
the
is
Asian
Indra.
palm civet.
Again,
Or the
again,
luwak
I always
is
have
wild
been,
cat-like creature.
impressed by Indian
This cat
sculptures.
eats the berries.
I can't see them in the chat box.
Partially
It has
digests
got
the berries.
a different
25,
language
30 or
for what
35
it is.
eliminate people
It-
can it accommodate. So basically, this coffee is made from all right. I am going to give that one to you. No, that's the most it is expensive coffee for you. People. Moving on to the second question. That can be accommodated on a 20 meters long cycle. Is
Praise
okay.
and
Moving
praise.
to the next one of
Yes, a
coffee.
slight lag there.
Audience, you'll
Yes,
be
Mahesh, you're
interested
back.
to know
Yes,
that
yes.
bicycles
So
were
it's a
invented.
different language.
Kerala,
See,
okay, no.
this is Indra, and I have.
That is the second.
I'm showing
This
that
is like
it's a
sculpture
sculpture. Take out from the after
it is
2000 years or
Karnataka.
1000 years, and
Karnataka
that is
contributes
get
to
eroded.
71%.
Again,
What were the
that-
cycles
that,
called in India?
story, because
the second comes
every
first
work,
type Kerala
every
at 21%.
sculpture, every artwork,
To
has
replace
a
one
story.
is Tamil
So
Nadu
this
what
is Indra
Arabic
showing that it's a god
all
of
right,
king.
now that is
king,
answer the
king,
third
king
question.
God. So that
A very
richness and
famous
everything
musician.
there, but
What
still
were
it
they
gets
called? He was
eroded.
said to be a
nature
barista's
किसको भी छोड़ता
nightmare.
नहीं है.
He was so
Everywhere
particular about the
nature
kind of
एक
coffee
अपना
that
काम
he
करता है.
had or he consumed.
This is
But
again
he
one
used
portrait.
to count exactly
I think I have done
60
another
beans
portrait.
to make
that
sure
is
that his
again
coffee was brewed in a particular way.
Mesopotamian
Who is this
country.
person that I'm talking about? Who is the
In my
person?
mind,
They were
in my
called
mind again,
Dandy
that
So this,
is,
he was a
I
German
travel like,
composer and
what
a pianist.
type, what
Moving
type
on
of
to the
people
third
were
question.
there, how they
It
work,
was not
how they.
Mozart.
So these are the
Yes, Girish, that is
characters
right.
that people,
Beethoven is the
and I'm
answer. He was
reflecting that.
very
And
particular
again,
about the
that
kind
is
of
a
coffee that he had. And he
concept of the
actually made sure he
whole
counted the coffee
ancient
beans.
world.
Capital. That's for you.
Right.
All right.
Some
Moving
part
back.
of the,
Yes, to get back to you, Anish. Amsterdam is called the bike capital of the world. That there are black cycles there. Then there are espresso. All right. So many people, so many options, so many. India has only. Tell us about privately owned varieties, different kinds of flavors. More than 100 different techniques. Vintage brewing. That perfect cup of. What is the name of the museum?
Sculpture, even one
Okay.
one hand
In
can
India.
show.
So,
one hand can
firstly,
tell
I
you
would like to
that
talk
story,
about that.
artist, how he
Mostly when
was
we talk about
performed.
flavors in coffee,
That is
What is
such
the
a
it's
name
about
beautiful thought.
the
Like
museum
he said,
adding
they
flavors
don't
like
need the
hazelnut,
entire
chocolate,
6 feet or
vanilla
anything. Even a
to
little
the
small
milk
thing
coffee like
can
latte
show how
cappuccino.
strong
But
that
those
is.
are the
Yes,
added
yes,
flavors.
he knows not that
And
I
what we
can
talk
do.
about right now is
tell
the
entire
natural
story.
flavor of
Beautifully
the
said.
coffee.
Thank you
which,
so much for that,
It's
Mahesh.
the
And
characteristics
to
of
the
the coffee
audience,
to
just the
absorb
way
the flavor from the
Mahesh has
atmosphere.
shown us
So
some beautiful
wherever it is
pictures.
planted,
We're
wherever
also
it
going
is
to look into the
processed,
world of
roasted,
the amazing
everything
and yet
matters for the
unknown
taste of
facts
coffee.
of this
And of
amazing
course,
art.
then when my part
It's
comes as a
time for
barista,
something which
we
we
brew it
call
in
the
different
Bliss
It is
equipments.
really
Quiz.
nice to know
We
that
shall
they
be
those are the
also
asking
have
few
a
equipments which I
foldable
have.
cycle, and we would
And
love the audience
right now,
also
I would like
and
to
on
do
Facebook
too.
to
the-
please
Something
put your
which they could actually
answers
one
in
of
the
my
chat
favorite
box. So
brewing
let's
techniques,
get
that
ready
is
for the quiz.
pour
So
over.
Vikram paints
The
it
first
like
question
a-
of
yes,
the day.
that is right.
Which
I
city
like
Alright,
pour over
in
because
India
it gives a
back to
is
you.
known
really
as
clean
this
cup
ceramic
and
Southeast
city?
Asia,
very light,
January
Which
and
is known as
February
the
like
ceramic
light
2013.
cup
city in
and good
India?
flavors.
0 to
Please put your
18,000.
answers in the
I
chat
always explore
box
in this.
and
Raju,
remember
tell us
to
more about
select
that. Do these
panelists
things have
and
any names,
attendees
the particulars
with
that
everyone
you're
to
using here?
answers.
Are they actually
18.
called something?
All right. Can we have the
Yeah.
answers
So
here?
this is called a French
I'm going to
press.
give you a
reach the
hint.
highest
one which I'm
place
going to
in the
do
state
now
of
is
The original
called
idea
pour over. This
was,
specific
Which
equipment is called
city is
VCC.
it? Which is known as the
but
ceramic city.
unfortunately,
This is a
Yes,
mocha pot.
Mrinalini, that is
myself
right.
and
Khurja it
my
is.
Ashish,
It is in the
Familiar
state
with
of
this?
Uttar Pradesh.
we both
And
And that's
because
an
it
AeroPress.
supplies a large
This is also
portion
a
of
very
the
was in,
ceramics
equipment.
which are used in our
June,
There are
country.
world level
August
That's
competitions
why
for
this
this
city
also.
has got the name
the
of ceramic
biggest
city.
challenge
All
was
right.
either to
Moving
face
on
the
to the second
summer,
question.
You're actually going to
summer
make
of
something
Which
into
is
yours, or you're
Rajasthan
going to
or
tell us
face the
known
people
how
of
it is made in
Ladakh.
this?
sculpture
So we
of the
chose
Indian
little bit of
I will
subcontinent.
show it like in the
The
V60.
and
first
we
known
started from
sculpture, I'm going to give you a
Khambat, Gulf of
hint.
Khambat in
It is a
Gujarat.
metal
That's
sculpture.
supposed to be sea level.
And
And
the
from
second
there
one,
we
if I
And while
tell
you're
you, you're
doing
going to
this,
know
you want to tell us
immediately.
about
Delhi,
It's from
somebody
the
Punjab,
Indus
Haryana,
Valley
had one of
civilization,
Himachal
your
Pradesh,
which is
copies
this
and
sculpture,
actually had
which is
something to
known
say
to be
about
one
it.
of the oldest and
Yeah.
the first
temperature
known
range
sculpture.
So,
we faced was like 40,
So I
70
had this
degrees in
experience
Pakistan.
where I worked.
Okay,
I
I'm
was
going
a
to give
third
you this
wave
one,
coffee
Mohenjo-daro.
roasters.
Yes, it's not Mother
And
Goddess.
an
It's
Iranian
the famous
customer came
bronze
to
So
me
far,
dancing
this
girl.
is
and
one
And
of
the
said
my
that she wants
best
a
picture
and
black
the
of the
coffee,
toughest.
sculpture,
but
The
with
which
deep
clients
they
were
concept.
say is
killing,
from the
the
Indus
winds
Valley
were
So I told her
civilization.
that,
That's the picture
ma'am,
on your
rain
screen
was
there.
killing,
Okay.
just
and
take
it
the
was one of
black
the
Moving on to
toughest
the
things
third
and
that
question.
I've
Now
ever
you
done on
can
a
see an
cycle.
still need
image,
milk.
all
It
of
was
you.
The coffee is
beautiful,
on me.
and
So
we
Alfie
So
reached,
I
Bradley
made
is the
we had
person
same
from
thing,
the
the pour
UK
over,
15th August
who
made
has
a very
created
nice cup
this structure.
and just
celebrated
served to
This
her.
structure is about
And
flag hoisting at
27
loved it so much
feet
that
in height.
she gave me the
Can we have the
and
she gave
picture
me
on
a
the
200
screen,
it was
rupee
an
note and
amazing
said that keep
experience
the change.
meeting
That is
This
for
people,
structure
seeing the
which you can
people,
see here
and people
So that
were
would be
really
travels
shocked to
around
know
the
that we are
UK
experience
cycling
for me.
all the
and
way.
it talks
And
about
Ashish's brother was
non-violence.
from army, and
It
he had
propagates
arranged for our
non-violence.
stays.
My
And
question
even
is,
the
what
army
is
personnel,
this
our
structure
soldiers
made up of?
were
You
really
can see there,
thrilled to
what do you
help
think
us
So
has
this is a
been
paper
used
stay
setup which I
to
just
make
go
this
ahead and
structure
pour over.
such
by
thing.
Alfie
It
Bradley?
was really
That's my
amazing
coffee. It's in the UK.
experience. So,
Wonderful.
seeing that part.
You can definitely zoom in and check what can you see
The
on
next
this
one.
structure.
Wow,
The
it's 5
Mediterranean
o'clock and it's
coast. I
time
know
for
it's a
people to have
difficult
coffee,
one.
so you're going to
I'm
tell
going
us
to give this one to you.
bicycle trip
This
from
entire
August
structure
to
has
November
been made out of
2019.
knives. Yes, we have an answer. Asha, yes, that's the answer. It's been made out of knives. There are a
On my mind
phenomenal
for quite
1
some
lakh
years.
knives
And
that has been
I
used to
completed
create
my,
this structure.
I
In
did
fact,
my
Alfie is
Ironman
also known as the knife
February
angel. He's
2019
persuaded
when I was
hundreds
60.
of criminals
And
to
I
give
went to
up
Germany
violence, to give
in
up their
August. I
knives.
celebrated
Wow,
my
And
I
these
really
knives
wish all of us
have
could
been
get a
used
cup
to
of
create
coffee.
this structure.
From
Unfortunately,
there,
we're
I
going to
took
go to
my
your work
cycle
today, but
to
otherwise we're coming
Barcelona.
back to
All
get
right,
a cup of
and
coffee.
now
Anish.
moving back to
Sure,
Mahesh.
sure.
Mahesh, we do
I
know
was
that different
looking forward to
materials
this
can
ride
be
like
used for
anything, and
sculpting.
I
And we
went
do know
through
that you also
moving
use a
world
lot
that
of
we are
different
in.
Spain,
materials.
Instant
France,
coffee,
But
I think,
we
is a
Monaco,
want to know
lifeline
which
for
are
a
the
Italy,
lot
ones
of
you
us.
use and why
But
is
also
it
we know
that
for
Slovenia,
a
you prefer
fact
Croatia,
ceramics
that
Montenegro,
over all
brewed
the others?
Albania,
coffee
We'd
is
love to
Greece,
share
something
this
which
with
is
our
and
audience.
all
very
these
close to the
countries were
heart also
amazing.
to
As
the real coffee lovers.
in
Anish, what we
Croatia,
actually want you to tell our viewers
my
is,
group
what
of
is
my
this
friends,
difference between
like
instant coffee and brewed
Jarla,
coffee?
Meena, Mrinalini, and
we
Girish,
just
met
don't
at
use any
Croatia
materials
and
So,
on the
material
coast
sake.
of Greece,
So
What is the
before
demand
coffee
of
along
comes
the
to
coast
your
of
cup,
Croatia, we
there are
went
a
back.
lot of
I
steps
started
Again, I
to go
continued
through.
my
I started
cycle.
with
There is
metal.
3
The
years
beauty of
of
the trip was everybody knows,
farming of
everybody
coffee.
has been to
These
France
are
or
basic
Spain or
materials.
Once
Italy.
sowed,
Metal,
There were
the
two
seed is sowed.
countries where
It takes 3
nobody had
years to
been,
produce
and
the
I was
coffee
told,
cherries, in
It
which
was
we find
out
sort
the
of not
coffee
worried,
seeds.
but I was
this
curious.
So these
How
Mumbai.
will
coffee
they
cherries are
If you want,
processed,
yeah,
factory of
Mumbai.
then
Montenegro
stored, then roasted,
when I was searching for the
Albania.
and then
material,
it is
And
packaged
believe me,
and
they were the
we get
two
it in the
best
form of
places
coffee
of
clay
beans.
this
And
whole route.
that's when
it's
Like
we
very
brew
Albania,
it.
close to
I
me.
was
It's a
The brewing
confronted
techniques
by
I
a
showed
Korean
you right now.
person,
So those are
and
the
he asked me,
And
those are in which we
Albanians
brew
said,
the
clay
we
coffee.
has
you
a
Indians
And
great
right now you can see
gift
this
uh,
black
to
coffee.
test
So this
also.
is brewed
I'm
to
not
know
coffee.
that.
talking about
It's really shocking.
When
touching that
I didn't
when
area.
know
this
what kind of
is
But
structure
made
yes,
was.
in bulk,
if you
Then he
take a
said
then
he
weight
will
clay
gave you Mother
freeze
and put
Teresa.
your
dried
fingers
the
or hand
And
into that,
atmosphere, the
immediately
moisture
it
guided
inside
me
that
to
is
cool down.
removed.
See, I
And
got
the
square.
powder which we get is
There
the
was
instant
big
so
powder.
statue
that
of
sort
So
of
it's
Mother
basically
Teresa. And first time I
feeling
liquid
realized,
clay
I
gives.
which
understood
moisture
that
And
is
Mother
removed.
Teresa was from my
So
life.
and
that is how
again,
it
There was a
dissolves
little
in your
incident in
water.
Italy
subject
where
and
somebody tried to
Oh,
steal my
clay
okay.
cycle.
gives
Generally, their
entire
cycles
Yeah.
are parked on the
And
road,
Okay, there
but
is
there are a lot of
somebody
rise
who
and
chains
was
fall.
and
actually asked a
You
question
take
as
it,
to
security
why
locks
it
and
will
instant
react.
coffee gives
If you
acidity,
and the
have
fellow
very
but
tried
good
to
brewed
steal
relationship
my
coffee
with
cycle.
her,
It
does
was
not
badly
cause
damaged.
you
acidity.
will get
Yes, please
And
complete
whatever
your
you
I
want.
Prakashya.
was
Yeah.
really
Right.
frustrated.
And
You know, how
so
again,
can
clay is
such
like
people
so
be
actually
there in
it
the world?
and
actually
basically
It's
for
matters
like
how
this
you
feels
make
like
your instant
last
coffee.
2 years,
damaging it.
And also
and
it
and
matters how you
see,
make
the
your
world is
exploring
local
full
this
of
coffee,
nice
because
Asian
people, as you know,
also
place
brewed coffee
and
can
saying
give you
the
a
next
lot of
day,
acidity.
I
Trust
met
me.
a
so for
guy
that,
in
actually,
over there,
definitely
and
I'm
he
not
replied
sure
the
which
whole
instant
time
coffee you are
without taking
making,
any
because
money
but
from
I
me.
believe in
Just
that.
everyone
because he realized
has
that
their
I
You
am
cannot
different
do everything
cycling
coffee
because of
yourself.
flavors which they
success,
Just
make
give
and I'm
it.
it
from
some
India,
So
nature.
probably
And
I would say
Iran is
just
giving
that
try
was a great
different instant
alternative.
coffees if you're not
Amazing.
liking a
Wonderful.
particular
You do
taste.
some
Okay,
work.
quickly,
But if you talk
Raju,
about brewing,
there
Put
have
it
been a
into
couple of
there's
utensils.
questions here.
a lot of
Somebody
Sometimes
else
aspects
saying,
it
which
gives very good
take
result.
one,
in
of
Walk
course,
fast.
what are
consideration
your
while
future
brewing.
Sometimes you
plans?
have to
So
throw
Which is the
just
next
even
the
brewed coffee can
the
give
utensils.
you
travel that you're
So
very
planning?
that is the
bitter,
fun of
Somebody
this
has
very
Iran
also
tough,
or
asked,
or
how do you
very
Iran
build
is
your
very,
acidic
very,
and
stamina?
very
sour.
inspiring.
How do you build
You have
your
to
So
stamina
filter
literally
before
one
you
to
go
sometimes you
out
get
for an
amazing
expedition?
results.
And the
Sometimes you
third
have to.
question that we have in the
So that
audience,
chances
Ramesh,
are
do have
I'm
those
open
kind
to
of
that.
questions like this. You can quickly
Because
connect with Anish and
that's
you
what
can
the
put
fun
your
of the clay.
answers
So
first
on
one
our
was
playing with the
Facebook page.
clay,
You can
its
log on to our
main
Facebook page also and
motive
is
put in your
building the
was
question set,
stamina.
my
and we'll
Yes,
work.
you
be
have to
glad
be
to
But
really
answer these for
fit
you.
whatever
and
out of
healthy
that,
All
is
right,
very
so
more
whatever
is
coffee
more
lovers,
important.
all over
sculptures
the
or
It's,
world
it's,
have
I've,
to
I've
say,
been
is the
a
byproduct.
as
triathlete,
long as there is
Right?
coffee in the
I run
world,
It is not
marathons,
better than
and
nothing
I've
that
can
done
go
pleasure
wrong.
what
cycling.
clay
I,
gives you.
I've been,
Ensuring that things
I'm an
actually never
Ironman
go wrong.
70.3 I did. So
Wow.
Very well
yes,
said. I
you
think
need
it's the end product that
good
matters. Yes, that
fitness, and
process
health
is
is more
very
important,
important.
because you have to be
Important
sure going
than
3
your
months like
product.
this and
Such a
you're not
beautiful
going to
feeling.
fall sick.
In fact, I think you've
You have
also
to have that
said that in
confidence,
spite
and
of
it
all this, you
comes
can never
only when you
repeat
have
the
a
same
good
structures, right?
Not
That is
there,
important.
Anish is
rather than
going to be
yes,
back with
fitness is
us
required, but
for a fabulous finale.
Passionate sculptor,
about
so I don't
preparation, yes, you
Yes.
have to
work
be
for
really
my bread and
flexible,
butter. Right?
because
And yes,
I
before
do
we move
here
on to the
flexible in
next
in
the
part of the
sense,
advertising
program,
everywhere, every
over
time
to
we have
Girish
I
such
get up
Tara,
in the
who can
morning and
tell
I need
you
a hot cup
how
of
lucky have
coffee.
each
colors
Yes,
one
in
if
of
you're
every
that,
day.
you
then you're not
can
But
carrying
here
a
I
become
cup,
a
you
don't
have to
part
question
carry the
of
cup,
anything. I
you just
our
just
carry
listen
the
to
next
my heart.
stove with
What
you.
community.
I want
And
to do,
just
just
like
I
this,
would
it
just
keeps on
that.
building.
So
So you have to be really flexible.
that's the
Girish,
fun
Anything,
over to you.
anywhere,
of
anything you should be
I'm
able
enjoying
to
as a sculptor.
you should be ready to
That
eat,
is
or
so beautiful. The very fact
the
that you
next
enjoy
expedition,
what you
yeah,
do, I
this
think that is
corona
the
has
base
been
on
paying
which
me a
passion is
favor.
built,
Good evening,
and that
And
is
I
the
was to
base
be
on
Namaskar.
which
in
we
US
created
Namaskar
this
and
this
channel
time.
to
here. My
showcase
name
this
is
kind of
I was
passion.
to
Girish
be
And
and as
cycling
you
yes,
can
from
see,
we do
my
know, Mahesh,
passion
that
is Gamma
sculptures
Seattle to
come in
San
operator.
so many
Diego.
different
I'm a part of
forms,
the
See,
Glyphs
so
this
many
community and I
wonderful
different
time
performed
and
on
the
emotions
whole
episode
that you
thing
number
try
18.
and
One,
show through your
I
as a
don't know
sculpture.
community, I'm
So what is
extremely
going
it
to be
that
proud to
gives
see
you
my
one
next
now
inspiration?
cycling,
How
because
do
the
Cyclists.
you
whole
choose a
CCE
topic
has
for
now
your
world
reached more
has
sculpture
than
that you want to
71
gone
influence?
cities
into
in India and globally.
such a
We have an
turmoil that
advance of more
nobody
than
knows
20
what to
perspectives.
do.
Inspirations means
We
artists
believe that
So,
all
it,
our
so
viewers on
maybe
Zoom
depends
for
and
next
from
IG
couple of
Live
years
right
I'll
his
be
now
life
have a
trying
passion
to
of their
India.
or
own
life
too.
around him.
And
Right?
that's what
He
makes us
cannot
unique.
take
Nevertheless,
any decision
Before I
speaking on
became a
behalf
part
of
of the
our
Glyphs
inspiration
community, I
entire
from
never
audience,
knew that
Raju,
there were
it
so
is
that
many
we
everywhere.
will
people
be
around
wishing
me
you
with
गीता
so
में
many
good
जैसे
luck,
different
बताया ना
and we
passions.
really
For
सब
hope you
यहाँ
can
example,
से है
get
और यहाँ
back
से
to
today's
your
episode
यहाँ
traveling
look at
छोड़ना है.
Anish.
So
very
Hit
soon
a cup
same
of
again.
coffee.
thing
Mind blown.
applies for the
So what's stopping
So
artist.
you?
also you
Would
should
you
know
like to
that
become a
most
part of
I'll
travelers,
Glyphs
give you
like
a
CCE? And
short
I'm
Raju,
going to tell
always
you
example.
say,
in a while that
stop
what we've
worrying
done
When
in
about
I
the
the
thought
part of
of
potholes in
Glyphs
the
CCE,
road.
getting my
what we've done
Just
is we've
exhibition first
enjoy
divided
the
the
exhibition
journey.
performances
sculpture
into three
in
verticals.
And
2013
One
truly,
of them is known as
that's
gallery,
what
knowledge sharing
Raju
and
where
does
there's no
awareness.
subject.
One
passionately.
is known as
But
performative
in
Enjoys being in
arts,
2012,
film,
I
and
lost
enjoys
my
the
his
other
mother,
is
travel.
known as Statica.
and
Thank you,
it
Raju,
was
for
a
also
huge loss for
including
me
us in your travels
because
today.
in
What
For the
we
2012
have
I
questions,
lost
is
my father was
episodes in the
passed away.
next
Yes?
few weeks,
So
and
it was
yep.
huge vacuum
those
in
Yes,
my
Raju.
life.
Thank you
minutes
so
of
much
coffee
So
for
I
being
making,
thought,
with us today.
tasting,
Thank you
can
to all
I,
the
can I,
pen
audience for
but
all your
collection in
in a
questions,
positive
all
manner.
your answers,
So
of
I took
course.
it as a
And don't go
what
anywhere.
was
we
Raju
the
is going to
have
best
come
requests
back
and we have
moment
for
of
our
appreciations
my
of each
life
and
finale.
every
with my
at
mother
the
or
end
my
of our
father.
program.
So
And before we move on to our second guest,
around
See,
7,
over to
8
Prantik, who can tell
that
all
is
of us
typical Indian
how each
imaginary,
one of
the
us
way
can
we
become
play
a
with
part of
apart
our
of
the
wonderful,
way
growing
other way,
Glitz
Number one,
the
community.
way mother
So
plays
release
Prantik, over to
every
you for
week
that
on
child,
our
small
live
child.
episodes on
Thank you.
So
Thursday
that
Thank you.
imaginary I
at 7
captured
Good
p.m.
evening.
and
and
on
Good evening, all.
Sundays at
Thank you
what
so
you
much,
can
5
Glitz,
very
p.m.
much
for
Indian time.
calling me again.
right.
This is a free
Just
channel.
First of all,
you can
let's
see
talk
that
Posting
about
the
the
details
journey,
she's
on
of
social
counting
this
media
passion,
child,
this
platforms
love that
regularly.
I
and
have,
Number
then
two,
and how I
watch this.
became a part of
some
Glitz.
Hashtag
emotional
Glitz CC to your
I'm a
friends,
poet,
families,
and
holding of that
associates,
I
and
got to know
every
that
small
person you
child.
can
Glitz
think
is
of
So
who
providing a
can
that is
enjoy
platform
being a part of this
for
show.
all the people who
what
have
And
such a
number
love,
three,
it is
a
come from
passion
the
in
his
their
mind,
life,
simplest way to
what they
connect
are,
with
and
us.
they're ready
that's
to
why
Every
contribute to
I
the world.
participant
So I
on
thought
Glitz
this
CC.
convert
could
it.
be a part of it.
So if you
Mother
know
and father
For
anyone,
me,
or
the
if
actually
you would
the,
like
the
to
passion, the
perform on
good
Glitz
love
for
that I
you,
CC,
have towards
then please
even
get
though
in
poetry,
touch with
it is
that
us
is
on
something
our
true.
that
phone
Why
numbers,
your
really
we'll share
family
them
drives
they
me.
in
It is
support very
post,
something
well.
or
that
please
really
drop
makes
Every
a
me
time,
message
happy.
on our
still
Something
Facebook
that I
page.
that
can
gap
do
cannot
at any given
fulfill.
point of
So
time,
So
maybe
that is
for
all we
that
need to
free,
do.
maybe
what
for
Can we get
anything,
the
that
just to
poll
have
now?
fun
reflection of
sake,
Can we
your
just
have the
for
poll
feeling
love's
now?
sake. I
comes in
enjoy
my
this.
work.
Yes.
So
So
passion or
again,
love
Sure.
for me is
So
and
let's
something
do
that you
a
really
poll
enjoy,
now. I
something
would
that
request
inner
all
takes
peace,
you
our
away
viewers
from
who
this
can be
crowd.
exhausted
posting
or
it
you
up
fulfill
Okay,
here.
that.
so that's something for me, and I
He
really
tried to
thank
move outside. He
Glitz
cannot
CC
Two
for
of
giving
uh,
me this
remain there.
platform. And
you
Right?
interesting
select
part,
Okay,
what
one of
happened
that
them.
is
feeling was
Before
once I became a part of
Not
Glyphs,
fulfilled.
I never knew that there are so many
Next
people
exhibition or
who are
then I
as
started
crazy
Number
as I
two,
am.
I would like
stop
to
that
refer
music
a
at
friend
Monday.
or
So,
a relative to
The
perform on
entire
top.
Glyphs
So
family
their
As a
passion
basically
on
believes
an
that
I use
episode of
passion
Ceramic
Glyphs.
moves
CCL, which is
people
So
Potters
beyond
in the
themselves.
chat
already
box,
used for
please
And I
type
totally
one
agree
word.
with that.
Even the
Okay,
Facebook
हम
page,
अपने आप
I
को
please
भूल
use
जाते
say,
हैं हम
let's
क्या हैं
take
थोड़ी देर
about
के लिए
and
जब मैं शायरी में
now
रहता हूँ जब मैं
last
पोइट्री में रहता हूँ
suppose
थोड़ी
there's
देर के लिए
some
मैं भूल जाता हूँ मैं
I'm
एक्चुअली
exploring
क्या
a lot of
प्रोफेशनली मैं क्या करता हूँ
possibilities into
So,
that.
मेरा
And
सवाल है
this
आप
time,
सबसे ओके ऑल द ऑडियंस
yes,
ऑल द पीपल
inspiration
हु
is
आर देयर
again
keep on
जस्ट एक
posting
सवाल है
tags.
क्या चीज रोक रहा है
live
ओके
or in
Someone
अगर इतना
digital
खूबसूरत एक प्लेटफॉर्म है आपको क्या चीज रोक
artifacts,
रहा है अपना पैशन दिखाने के
anything
लिए
for
related
So,
giving your preference.
not
Glyphs
And
basically
this
Kavita very
like-minded
happy to
people
share
belongs
okay
that
पैशन
this time.
लोगों को
It's not a
out
तलाश रहा है ढूंढ रहा है
one.
ताकि वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे सके ताकि
Thank
Thanks
अपना
so much,
पैशन
Mahesh.
अपने
Like
अपनी
he
कला
always says,
पूरी
his
दुनिया को दिखा सके
creations
इट्स अ
are a
ग्लोबल चैनल
reflection
to our
of his
host,
and
mindset.
basically
Thank
हमारे
you
जो
so
performances
most
है
of
they
you
are
guys.
divided in three
So
verticals
thank you so
knowledge
much for this
sharing
beautiful shares,
awareness
Mahesh. To the audience,
performing
do not go
and standing
anywhere.
arts
Mahesh is
Okay,
going to be
so
back
ये
with a
सारे
beautiful
verticals में
video,
हम हैं
which we will have
and
as
you
the
can be a
finale.
part of it.
Just
Whatever
after
you
we
do,
talk to our
whatever
second
you
guest.
can give to this world.
Just hold
if you,
on
if
and
you want
we'll be
people to
right
know
back.
what you do,
And until then,
other than
over to
what your
Malvika,
profession
who
is,
is going to
Kavita,
tell
this is
you
one of the
how
passion.
you can also become
Some of
a
the passions
part
that
of
we
our
that
ever
we are
growing
bringing
channel
okay on the
Glyphs.
Glyphs
So
channel.
over to you,
Okay,
Malvika.
one of the further things is sculpting,
Thank you, Kavita.
coffee making,
Hello,
She's the
everyone.
tea
I'm
tasting,
sure the
they are from
episode
and
this
farming.
is
and
Can
going
you
really, really
imagine
well.
and farming
I'll just
being
take
a
a
thank
few
you so
passion for
much,
minutes
ladies
here.
and gentlemen.
Okay,
Back to Kavita.
My name
wine
is
making,
Malvika East,
interesting
and
for
I'm
few
from
people,
Pune.
right?
And
So
my
you will
passion
enjoy
is
that.
painting.
Expect
I am a
somebody to
part of
invite
the
him for
Glyphs
wine.
community, and I'm
So
very,
wine
very
They are
proud
making,
from
to
from
say
this
that
share his
family.
wine
this
That's
also
Kavita.
community
So
pen
thank
has
you.
collection.
reached
Okay, I
more
remember my
than
cousin having a
74
pen
cities
collection.
in
So
India.
And to all the
fantastic, and
And
audience,
many more,
Glyphs
yes,
many
we
has
more.
are having a
And
expanded
slight
more
interestingly,
than
as I
technical snag
80
mentioned,
here.
it is a global
So
channel.
please
Here
bear
we
with
get to
Okay,
us
it's a
meet
for
global
that.
so
channel,
many
Some
and we
like-minded
things
are
which are
people
out
getting
of our
from
hands.
applications
different
for
passions.
performer,
Moving
for
on to our
Every
performers
next
passion there is
guest
something
for
from
beautiful,
today.
Japan,
something that
UK,
motivates and
New
Poetry
Zealand,
inspires me
is an
Australia,
to keep
emotion
pursuing
Germany,
my
and
where
passion
we
as
an
have an
well.
emotion
audience from
has
Action
found
India
its
For
here.
me,
So
thoughts,
the
you're
Glyphs
always welcome.
community
and
I,
thoughts
I
presents
read
a
that
found
he's
huge
in
its
source of
words.
Secretary.
happiness.
So please be here,
If
Rohan
okay?
any one of
Golwalkar,
you
And
is yet
who
we
to
are we are
become
we
a
expresses
are
part
his
of
expanding.
Glyphs,
thoughts
We
a
are
part of
growing.
this
through
growing
not one
community,
So the whole
what's
but
stopping
purpose
two
you?
passions:
is
I'm
being
sure
in the
music
each one of
channel
you
and
has a
and
poetry.
passion of your own
display
too.
your passion.
Rohan
Or
is
you
an
may know
Indian
How can you be a
residing
someone
part of
in
this growing
Dubai.
community?
passion.
He is
There
a
are
Of
three
course,
sales
ways.
head in
passion
an
is
Okay,
what
IT
one,
makes
firm,
us unique
and
in
the
our
every
monotony
industry.
week.
of a
Okay,
job
we come
made
on
him
live
realize
Passion,
like
your
that
today.
the
passion is
only
Okay,
what
way to
you love.
Thursday every
de-stress
So it's
evening,
time
was
to
his
take the
every
next
passion.
step
Thursday
now.
evening
And
7
so,
p.m.
Write to us
after
and
a
every
about
gap
your
of
Sunday
more
at
passion
than
on
5
our
p.m.
email
13
ID or
You
years,
drop
can
me
be
a
a part
message
of
on
it
we can
our
build
by
his
Glyphs
passion.
Messenger.
seeing the people, by
And
being
we will
here
Today,
get
and
to
Rohan
know
audience.
is
you.
going to share
You can
his
Second,
see the
world of
email
you
ID
poetry
can
now
become
and
a
music
part
on
of
the
Glyphs
chat
with us
box.
CCE
all the
Some
way
of the
as a
from
passion
Dubai.
that we
performer.
will be bringing to you
So,
on
Okay,
Glyphs
let's start
every
Messenger
this
person
CCE
beautiful
online
you
evening
channel
think
by
in the
Rohan
next
that
playing a
coming
somebody can
lovely
hour.
perform
tune
on
on
Glyphs,
his
you can
pianica.
recommend their name to
Astrophotography,
us.
Movie
classical
And
Mera Naam
guitar,
third, the
Joker,
most beautiful part
baking,
music
is,
Shankar
gymnastics,
okay,
Jaikishan.
and many, many,
Rohan, over
many
being
to
a
you
more.
for the
participant
first tune of the
also,
evening.
As you know, we are a
and
Hey,
global
thank you
helping
so much,
other
platform
Kavita,
people
and
and
we are
thank you
on
offering
everyone for
Glyphs
different
channel.
joining.
These are
applications
the
to
three
I'm
ways
performers
of
very
being a
happy
part
to
to
of
join
this
us
privileged to be
channel.
from
part of
UK,
Let's have a quick
Look
Switzerland,
poll.
forward
New
to
Zealand,
entertain you for the next
Australia,
Can we have the
and
poll here?
Germany.
20 minutes or so.
So
Yes,
if you
so
know
Pianica is
someone
this
who has
instrument on which I'm
interesting
going to play
Great.
songs
So,
of my
in
experiences to
front
favorite
of
share
people, which
you,
about
I've
their
you can see
passions,
a
created
poll.
into
please
track.
feel free to
So
ask
here we go.
them
Here
to
goes the
get in
song.
touch with us.
What will be your next step?
Let us have
Okay,
a
you
quick
can
poll
choose.
and you can put in your preferences here reference for all of the Facebook
I would like to
viewers,
perform
you
or
can
talk
put in
about my
your
passion on an episode in Bliss.
reference.
The second is I would like to
I
refer
would
a
like
friend
to
or relative to
or
perform or
talk
talk
about my
about their
passion in
passion.
an episode. And
And I would like to
reference
refer a friend
I
or
would like to
relative to
refer a
perform,
friend
talk
or
about their
relative
passion
to perform
on
or
an
talk.
episode of Bliss.
Let's have a quick poll, and I'm sure you are
Okay.
putting your preferences now.
Okay, just choose and we'll get back to you on this.
Okay, great. Thank you for giving your preference.
Great.
Wow, it feels great to say
Thank you,
that
everyone.
57%
Thank you
of us
so much.
today have someone
It
they want to
feels so
refer
great to see the
perform
results.
on our Bliss episode.
67%
I would
of
also
the
like to
participants
thank
of the audience
Colin
today
Drive
have someone or the other
the
who would
founders
like to
of
refer
Bliss for
to
creating
be
this
a
wonderful
performer on
platform
Bliss.
community.
That's fantastic.
Before
Okay,
I
great.
hand over to our
And I'm
host,
so glad that I'm a part of this channel, and I would really like to thank Salil, Gayatri, Tanushree, the founder of Bliss, for bringing such a
and
wonderful
Raju
concept and
a
bringing
26-year-old
performers
boutique
like
on
me
HPOs
and
that
Raju
specializes
and the
in
next
traditional
performer. I'm keeping the name surprise.
She's also
So,
a mentor at Say Asta and
bringing
a
such
senior
people and
director
creating this
consult
platform.
at BNI
And before I hand over to the host, so
So
let me
over to you,
appreciate the beautiful
Kavita.
host.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
because I do not,
Thank you
last
so
time I
much,
did not get this
Malvika, and thank
opportunity
you
to
again
thank
to our
her.
audience
Kavita
for
Awasthi,
all your
you are one
lovely
of the best
shares and
anchor I have ever
everything.
met.
So
Thank you so
again,
much
a
for being there.
reminder
Thank
to
you so
all
much
our viewers
for
that we have
being
something
an anchor
very
and
special
being such a
planned for
beautiful
tomorrow
anchor and
evening.
coordinating the whole
For
program.
the very
Kavita
first time
Awasthi
in
is
the
a
world,
fashion designer.
the Glyphs
She
Fashion
owns
Awards.
and owns a
Do put
boutique
in
called
your
as
mail
Poshak,
IDs in the chat
which
box
is a
and we shall just send you
26-year-old
a
setup on
special
FC Road,
invite for the
Pune,
show that's happening
that
tomorrow,
specializes in
Friday
traditional
at
clothing.
6 o'clock in the evening.
She is also a
Please do put
mentor
in your
at
mail IDs and
Deasra
we'll send you the
and a
invite.
senior director consultant
And moving
at
on,
BNI Pune.
Thank you, Rohan. This is
saxophone.
very
Thank you
It is
so much,
nostalgic.
said
Kavita.
A
that this
beautiful
Okay,
tune, an
instrument
iconic
what are you contributing
movie,
to Glyphs
sings
and of course,
and
a
to this
wonderful
and
world of
when
instrument.
at
fashion?
its best,
So, to
Over to
the
you, Kavita.
it
audience,
Thank you so
actually
much.
while the whole
sounds
world
like a
is
human
trying to
voice.
grapple
Thank
with
you
this
so much,
situation,
Sandeep
wow, that
Kunchekar.
was really
Rohan
nice.
has the
Spend some
passion
wonderful
of playing
words
this
for the
beautiful
positive
instrument
side.
since
Thank you, audience, for
2017.
your participation.
Over
in
to
the
you,
poll.
this passion to
First
his
poll. Time to
guru,
move on to our second
Anil
guest for
Karmarkar
today.
sir,
Thank you so much.
who inspired
Music
Yeah, so
him
there has been
and
a
guided
verbal
him
It
diary
touches
on
my
this
heart,
Corona and lockdown.
brings
And
Sandeep is
peace
an
everybody saw
architect
and
by
bliss
profession,
to my life.
and in spite
But
of
one
having
thing
my
a
this
very
lockdown has
hectic
given
schedule,
and my
is the
companion.
he
time to be
manages
spent
to
at
play
home,
this
which you always
instrument
wanted
This
to
is
do,
what
every
our
and do
day
second
everything
guest
which
has
you
to
to say.
pursue
always
his
wished
passion.
for. And
Neeraj
मैं तो उसके लिए
Today,
Kelkar.
sick leave ले
we
लेके
shall
करता
He
था.
has
have the
been
So I have
singing
found
pleasure
a
of
since
lot of
listening to
time
some
2011.
what I love.
beautiful
He has
songs
learned
Playing,
classical
on this
music
reading,
lovely
cooking,
from
all
his
of that.
mother
instrument.
So I
Let
thought
us
of
study.
penning down
and now
something on this
his son
Jawani
also
Diwani,
यो
accompanies
मकान
him
the
जो घर
film
on
बनने
the
के
is
सपने
keyboard
most
देख रहा
and
था.
tabla.
remembered for its
परसों से तो
song
है
Musical
Pancham.
सुबह
family indeed.
सुबह जाते
The
हुए देर
film
रात
was a
घर आते
musical
Neeraj, he
hit
has a YouTube
and was
channel by
liked
the name of
फिर
twice
सुबह
Neeraj
across the
Kelkar
film
with
by
a
the
huge
दिखाना है
human
following.
हर एक
So
को
the next time you want to
खुश
listen
होकर
to it,
most
मुस्कुरा
you can
famous
log into
song
that
of this
channel.
कुछ
movie.
किताबें जिन्होंने
His
धूल
Jaane
से
Jaan
यारी
idols
Hinsa
बनाई
Phir
are
Raha.
some
एक
of the
दूसरे
On the
के
greatest
टिके हुए
saxophone
legends
जीने की
in
for
तैयारी
Bollywood.
कर
Sandeep. Here comes the
A
first
lethal
किताबें
performance of the
combination.
जिन्होंने
evening.
धूल से यारी कर ली
Kishore
थी
Das,
एक दूसरे पे
Pancham
टिके
Da,
हुए ही जीने
and
की तैयारी
Kaka,
कर ली थी
as they were
आज
fondly
खुश
called.
है
Yes,
तो
you
निश्चित
guessed it
ही
right.
तुम्हारा स्पर्श
Kishore
पाना
Kumar,
सुना रही है
R.D.
वो पुरानी
Burman,
कहानी
and
खिलकर
Rajesh
मुस्कुरा
Khanna, who have
एक
together
दराज
worked in
जिसमें पहले प्यार का
32
पहला गुलाब
movies
सूख कर सख्त हो
and
गया
brought about the
एक
golden era
दराज
of music
जिसमें पहले
in
प्यार का
the
पहला
Hindi
गुलाब
film
सूख कर
industry.
सख्त हो गया था
His
कुछ
tribute
खत संजोए
to
थे
the
उसने
Triveni,
और उसे खोले हुए
as
काफी
Neeraj
वक्त हो
says.
गया था
And today,
आज खुश है
he will be
फिर उस
singing
गुलाब की
songs
खुशबू फैला
dedicated to
सुना रहा है
these
पहले
three
प्यार के पहले
stalwarts.
खिलकर
So
मुस्कुरा
आज की शाम इन
एक
कलाकारों
साज
में
जिसने गुनगुनाना
the
छोड़
first
दिया
one, movie
एक साज जिसने
मेरे जीवन
गुनगुनाना छोड़
साथी,
दिया था
year
इतना सालों से तुमने गाना सुना
1972.
आज खुश है फिर से
Audience, you would be
तुम्हें
interested to know that
सुना रहा है कोई
initially
नई धुन तुम्हारे
Rajesh
सिर
Khanna
से
had not,
कुछ अपने जिनसे
and then
परसों से बात
R.D.
हुई
Burman went
मिलते
into
तो
his
रोज
room with a
थे
harmonium,
मुलाकात
and
कुछ
within
अपने
15 minutes
जिनसे
he had
परसों से
got
बात
the
नहीं
actor's
हुई
approval.
मिलते तो रोज थे पर
The
मुलाकात
first song of the day,
आज
the
खुश
very
है फिर
popular
से तुम्हें
O Mere Dil Ke Chain.
लूडो के
Over to
पासे
you,
थे
Neeraj.
कोई पुराना एल्बम देख साथ अच्छा खाना बना तो जिंदगी में भी क्या कलाकारी दिखाई
Thank you so much.
जिस
Thanks
फुर्सत की
everyone
तलाश
for
की
joining.
मुद्दत से
Let me
वो
start
फुर्सत बढ़ी
this beautiful
फुर्सत
song.
से So these were my thoughts on the lockdown situation.
So, I think everybody, yes, everybody must have related to what you're saying because everybody has gone through that in this period of lockdown. So, moving on, they say that the heart of a father is a masterpiece of nature. And Rohan today has created a masterpiece of this masterpiece. So, he's going to share a beautiful poetry on a father. Rohan, over to you.
And fortunately, my father is online. He has joined the session. So my Charan Sparsh to him and respect to all the fathers. I am also father. Yeah, so wrote something on father. वो तुम ही थे जिसने जिंदगी के मायने बताए थे वो तुम ही थे जिसने जिंदगी के मायने बताए थे मुझे जीवन के कुछ सच्चे आईने दिखाए सहा था मेरी शैतानियों का मेरी नादानियों का हर पल जो साथ था मेरे बचपन की हर शाम हर से जिसने हाथ मेरा थामा था जब मैं लड़खड़ा रहा था जिंदगी के वो पहले कदम बड़ी मुश्किल से उठाया तुमने ही तो वो पहले निवाले खिलाए थे जब पहली बार साइकिल से गिरा था तुम्हें तो उठाने आए थे तुम्हें वो चॉकलेट्स और लॉलीपॉप दिलाई थी वो पहली पहली प्लेट और पहली पेंसिल तुम्हारी अंग्रेजी तुमने ही लिखना सिखाया, तुमने ही बुरा भाग सिखाया था। साइन तो तुम्हारे ही थे जब मैंने पहला फर्जी रिपोर्ट कार्ड बनाया था। तुमसे स्कूल की शरारत थी, तुम्हारी मेहनत वाली कमाई को गवर्नमेंट से समोसे उड़ाने की आदत थी। तुम्हें पता था कब पहला था कौन खरीदी और कौन मेरा सच्चा यार। तुम हिम्मत थे दुनिया के कारण बहुत सारी पढ़ाई के बाद थोड़ा सा तुम्हें बजाज तुम्हें अच्छे कॉलेज में जा सका, वो मोटी रकम फीस की बिन उलझन चुका सका। तुम ही वजह थे कि मैं एक अच्छे कॉलेज में जा सका, वो मोटी रकम फीस की बिन उलझन चुका सका। तुम्हें पता था उस रात जब मैं जेल से घर आया था, जिंदगी का पहला जाम मैंने तुमसे छुप के उठाया था। तुम्हें पता था उस रात जब मैं देर से घर आया था तो जिंदगी का पहला जाम मैंने तुमसे छुप के उठाया था। माना कि उसके बाद तुम्हारा रवैया काफी सख्त था, पर मैं भी तो सारा आशिक आवाज नहीं वाला कम्बख्त। पर तुम्हारी डांट और फटकार के बाद जब मैंने बना ली पढ़ाई और तुमने तो गोवा के टिकट के पैसे चार जब पहले जॉब की जीवन में बेहद कमाई मेरे फ्लैट का रेंट की तो मेरी तरफ मेरे जज्बात और अब बड़ी गाड़ी जब सच्चे जीवन साथी को जिंदगी में आजमाया सच्चे जीवन साथी को जिंदगी में आजमाया था, मुझसे पहले मेरी शादी का कार्ड तो आया था। पर जब शादी और परिवार की चिंता ने मेरी कमर तोड़ रखी तब पता चला अपना पेट काट के दिन बदले, जीवन बदला और एक नन्हा सा मेहमान भी जिंदगी। तुम उसके दादा बने और दादागिरी का आलम हर पल हर सुझा।
Truly a nice song for Rajesh Khanna style.
अब वो लड़का संस्कारी बने, जिम्मेदारी तो तुम्हें उठाया, तो तुम थे।
Obviously, the movie Amar Prem, another soulful song from this movie by the Triveni. ये क्या हुआ? Neeraj, over to you. Beautiful. Hats off to you and your poetry, and pranam to your father and all the fathers
probably giving
who
a
have
standing
joined us
ovation
today
for
on
this
this
one. I can
wonderful
almost see the
platform.
audience standing up and clapping for you.
Beautiful, Rohan.
Such a
Thank you so much.
performance. Thank you so
To
much.
the audience,
Thank you so
while
much,
Rohan
Sandeep.
is getting
Moving
ready
on
for
to the
some
second
more poems,
performance.
again
Teesri
it's time
Manzil.
for a little
One of
quiz
the first
on
breakthroughs
poems and
of
poetry.
R.D. Burman's
So audience, get ready.
India
The
Times
first
movie
question.
has ranked this movie amongst
The
the top
first non-European
25
to win the Nobel Prize in Literature won it in the year 1930. Her collection of
music and
103 poems.
which
It
remains
was published
popular
under the
even
song
today.
under the name
Coming
Song
up
Offerings,
is the
and
next
it is a
rock
part
and roll
of
number from this
UNESCO's
movie.
representative
Aaja Aaja
work.
Mehboob Pyar Tera. Over to
Which
you,
is
Sandeep.
the poet that I'm talking about? He was the first non-European, he was an Indian, to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Which is the poet that I'm talking about? I'm going to give you a hint, but I think if I give you a hint, all of you will know the answer. Yes, of course, Suman, that is right. I was going to tell you he is the person who wrote the Gitanjali, and that is right. Rabindranath Tagore is what we are talking about. Yes, the original name of this collection, Song Offerings, was called Gitanjali. Okay, yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Moving on to the second one. You heard Rohan playing the pianica in the beginning. The pianica is a combination or it's a hybrid of two instruments. Which two instruments is this a hybrid of? The pianica is a hybrid of which two instruments? Also to our people or to our viewers on Facebook, please, yes, of course, Vaidehi and Lakshmikant and Jamal, the piano and the harmonica it is. Okay, so the third question again, listen to this. The person I'm talking about was honored with the Padma Bhushan for his contribution to literature. He often introduced himself with these lines. मिट्टी का तन, मस्ती का मन, क्षण भर जीवन मेरा परिचय. Who am I talking about? Who am I talking about? मिट्टी का तन, मस्ती का मन, क्षण भर जीवन मेरा परिचय. Okay, I'm going to give you a hint for this. If I give you a hint, you will know the answer. He wrote the collection Madhusha. Now, I don't think we need any more clues here. There's only one person who is related. Yes, of course, it is Harivansh Rai Bachchan. He is also the second Indian him to get a doctorate in English literature from the Cambridge University. Who doesn't know Madhushala? Anybody who listens to poem and poetry would know Harivansh Raiji Bachchan. All right, thank you audience for your participation, and moving back to you, Rohan. You know, all of us have just heard about coffee, the way Anish said. Well, they say a bachelor's life is like the bottom of a coffee cup. Hang on and enjoy it as much as you can. The same sentiments of a bachelor expressed the first time. Thank you. Yes, Rohan ke andaz mein absolutely hai. Rohan, over to you. Thank you so much.
So this is agony if a bachelor is getting married.
All right, audience, it's time to
Bachelor sitting on a mandap
get to know some
discussing his
relatively
bachelor life and how
unknown
he
facts
So I
about
wrote this poem
this
on my
Triveni.
mother's private set of
Again,
काल्पनिक थी.
get ready
अब सत्य
for the
घटनाओं पे
Glitz
आधारित
quiz.
है. So I'm married now.
The first question.
So this
BBC
is a
has
tribute to
British
bachelor's life.
Broadcasting
And how
Corporation.
does a person feel?
BBC made a film
While he's getting
on
married.
Rajesh
There's
Khanna
a prelude to this
in the
poem.
year
जिंदगी हर किसी को मौका देती है.
1974.
कोई बन जाता है
Because of
अब्दुल
its
कलाम, कोई इसे
phenomenal
जिहादी कर
success.
लेता है. जिंदगी हर
What
किसी
was
को
the
मौका देती
name
है.
of
कोई
that
बन जाता है अब्दुल कलाम, कोई इसे जिहादी कर लेता
The
है.
movie that
और जिसे कुछ
BBC
समझ नहीं
made
आता है
for
तो
the
MBA कर लेता है तो शादी कर
superstar
लेता है.
Rajesh Khanna.
तो मैंने शादी
What
कर
was
ली.
the name of
तो
that
आज एक
movie?
अजीब सी फीलिंग आ रही है. जो भी थी, जैसी भी थी, वो बैचलर्स लाइफ
No,
हमेशा
Pallavi,
की
it was
थी.
not good. That
आज
is
एक अजीब
true.
सी फीलिंग आ रही है. जो भी थी, जैसी भी थी, वो बैचलर्स लाइफ हमेशा की
BBC
जा रही
made the
है.
movie.
क्या
All
मैं
right.
अकेला अकेला
I'm going to
थक
give
गया
this one to you.
मेरा रूह
It was
मुझे
called
मेरे आवाज़ में
Bombay
उसको देख के
Superstar.
थक गया था. उसे भी इंतजार
The audience should know that the word superstar was coined for the first time in the Hindi industry for Rajesh Khanna after the release of
यारों के
Aradhana.
साथ बिताया
That's the one, Bombay
रूम का
Superstar,
भी
made
अपना
by
इतिहास
BBC.
है. यारों
Moving
के
on to
साथ
the second one.
खासे वो 4 बजे सोकर 10 बजे
Because we are on this
उठकर
channel of
लगा रहा
Glitz
वो पार्टियां
and we
कर रहा
are
लड़कियों
talking
पे मजा
about
तो ऑफिस
fashion,
में जाके रिजेक्ट होके आ रहा वो मैला
the
वो
great
टी-शर्ट
R.D.
फटी हुई
Burman
जीन्स
or Panchamda
But no doubt
also
that
had
it looks proud.
two amazing
वो 4
fashions
बजे
which
सोकर
he
10
wrote
बजे
to his
उठा वो
heart.
कटिंग पीने जाना वो सुट्टे
One
लगाना
was a
पार्टियां करना
sport
लड़कियों पे मरना
and
वो ऑफिस
one
में जाके रिजेक्ट
was
होके
an
आना वो मैला वो
instrument
टी-शर्ट
that
फटी
he
हुई
loved
जीन्स
to play.
But no doubt that was
Which
good for
sport
always.
and which
So
instrument
अच्छी
am I
है
talking
वो
about?
sad हर पुरानी शक्ति
Two
सताई
passions
एक
that
अजीब
the
सी
great
फीलिंग आ रही
Panchamda
है
also shared.
जैसी भी थी वो
One
बैचलर्स
sport
लाइफ हमेशा
and one instrument.
जिंदगी
Harmonica,
बदल रही है
it was, yes,
रिस्पांसिबिलिटी
the
ना
mouth
होने की
organ,
कमी
that is right.
बहुत ज्यादा
And
है
which was the sport
जिंदगी
that I'm
बदल
talking
रही
about.
है रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ना होने की कमी बहुत बढ़ रही है ना खा
Okay,
के शायद
it was swimming.
इसलिए लग भी पाया
Panchamda was
ना खा
very
के
fond of
शायद
swimming,
पछतावा इसलिए लग
and
भी
of
पाया
course the harmonica
लड़कियों
or the
का
mouth
सूट
organ
खा
as
रहे
we
हैं
call it. He
शॉपिंग
also
बैंग
played
बैलेंस
this
गाउन
instrument in the movie
चीजों की
Dosti
definitions बना रहे हैं
for his friend
But these definitions are
Lakshmikant and
alive
Pyarelal.
because now I'm not a bachelor
And the third one,
wife is
we all
bringing me
consider that
and from
Kishore
God
Da as the
I'll sincerely check
ultimate
all the
singing
heroes
superstar
wife
of
is bringing new
Bollywood.
dreams and from
Yet
tomorrow
all of us
I'll
know
sincerely check
that
all
he
the
was
heroes
never
So जो
formally
पूरी मेहनत से
trained
जोड़ी थी
in
खुदा ने
classical
बख्शी
music.
वो डिग्री छीनी जा
And
रही
yet he considered somebody as his
जो भी
guru.
थी जैसी भी थी
Who did Kishore Da consider as his guru? It was this person's style that he used to emulate. So I think I
जो रियल
guess
बैचलर्स
from
उनकी आंखों में
singing.
आंसू आ जाते हैं
Who did Kishore Da consider
बहुत
as
सारे
his
लोगों
guru?
के
Yes,
आंखों में
Pallavi,
आंसू आ गए
you are
होंगे।
right
Must
again.
sing
It was KL Sehgal
कोरोना
or
लॉकडाउन
Sehgal
से
Saab,
मेरी
as we
most
all know.
bachelor होता है
Legendary
Absolute
Shami
great
Kapoor ji.
personality.
All right.
So
That's
me and
the
my
one,
wife
and that's the
were
person that
counting
Kishore
that,
Kumar
this is the
used
last
to
time
imitate
she
when
went to
While
my car.
Sandeep catches his
And
breath
it was a
again,
lifetime, I mean, you know,
in
we
the
were
audience.
counting.
audience,
All
let's
right.
get ready
Moving
for
back
the
to
great
Neeraj
twist
Gati
again.
Patang. So moving on,
About the
the
saxophone
film
this
is
time.
among
Yes.
the
So get ready to answer my
consecutive
questions.
hits
We
that
all do
Rajesh
know
Khanna
that the
did
saxophone
between
is a
19
popular
and
jazz
19
instrument.
the
The question is that initially,
consecutive
before
hits.
it became a
Agar
jazz
Suraj he was
instrument,
called the superstar.
it used to be
A beautiful
played
song
for
from this
another
beautiful
purpose.
movie.
What
Zindagi
was
Pe
it
Sham
used for?
Mastani.
Beautiful
Neeraj,
lines
over to you for this
before
one.
it
Rohan,
became a
after that.
jazz instrument, it was
Yes,
played
so I mean,
somewhere else.
you
What
started
purpose
it with
was it
Gulzar
played
Saab,
for?
so I'm nowhere close to
Yes,
him.
can we have
But
some
yes,
answers
this
in the
poem is
chat
very
box?
close to me, and it's you know.
Okay,
you can watch
this
poem
is,
on
I know,
YouTube
very
as well.
not very easy.
So this
Yes,
poem,
Pranalini,
I
again,
had,
yes,
it's
we
called
have. It
Udne
is
Ki Aarzu. So this poem, and
used in
apparently
the
I
military
wrote this
to
poem
play
when
the
I was
military
flying
music.
from somewhere to Dubai.
Originally, it was
Doesn't mean that I have
intended to play in the
named this
military
poem because I was
bands.
flying,
The
but
saxophone
it's talking of
became
flying high in
popular in
life,
the
but who
jazz
stops
world
you?
only after
You know,
World
most of
War
the time,
I.
the person who
That's
stops you
correct.
is you. So
Okay,
उड़ने की
next.
आरज़ू है,
The name of
पिंजरे
a
की बीमारी
politician
है, उड़ने की
who is
आरज़ू
known
है,
to play the
पिंजरे की बीमारी
saxophone.
है, ताला
He has
लगाया
written
हमने,
in his
चाबी नहीं
autobiography,
हमारी,
My
उड़ने
Life,
की आरज़ू है,
that he
पिंजरे की
considers after briefly
लहरों से
pursuing a
जिंदगी में
music career
बस डर है
before he decided to
लहरों से
dedicate
जिंदगी
his
में बस
life
डर है
to public service
इसी डर से
and
है पर अपना
politics.
सबक उठाने का।
What is the name of
कब
before I could yes, Mridalini, you're right again. Wow, we have some instant answers there. Yes, it is Bill Clinton, the former president of the United States. In fact, Clinton
हर रोज खाब आता
donated the saxophone which he played to the
हर रोज
American
खाब
Jazz
आता कहीं
Museum
दूर तक जाने
in
का
Kansas
माहौल फिर
City.
भी लेकिन
All right, for the third and the last question
वक्त
for
होने
today,
वाले
though
दिन
the
की याद
saxophone
से
is
सूरज की
primarily
वाहिद
used,
हमें तारों
they're
को अच्छे
generally played by males. There are two sisters in India that are extremely famous world over for playing the saxophone.
महफिल सजाई
What are
रोशन
their names and where are they
This
from?
line is like,
The sisters
most of the
from
life
India,
people
what are
spend
their
not
names
being
and
Christian.
where are they from?
So,
Can we have
महफिल
some
सजाई
answers
रोशन
in the chat
पर खुद
box?
को ना बुलाया क्या खाक
Nalini,
खेली
yes,
होली
you're allowed to answer this one as
महफिल
well.
सजाई
And
रोशन पर खुद को ना बुलाया क्या खाक
the
खेली
name of the
होली
sisters
जुर्म
and
ना
which place they
लगाया
are from.
हर लम्हा जोड़ते हैं गीत
All
बनाते
right,
हैं
I'm
हर
going
शोर
to
में
give this
विस्सुर
one
है
to
एक
you.
संगीत
The
बनाते
two
हैं सास भी
sisters
हमी
are from Mangalore.
हमारी
Their names are
उड़ने की
M.S.
आरज़ू
Lavanya
पिंजरे की
and
बात
Subbalakshmi. Yes, M.S. Lavanya
है
it
खेल
is.
जिंदगी का
And
और
Subbalakshmi.
खेल
There
अनोखा
Girish comes up with the
है खेल
answer.
जिंदगी का और खेल
Nalini
अनोखा
says she has
कभी
no
जीत
idea.
कभी
We'll
जश्न
wait
कभी
for the next
हार
time for you. Okay, they
अनुभव
just
से
about
पुराना
play every
समझदार
genre of music, right? From
सुलझा हुआ
jazz
सा
to
किरदार
Carnatic to fusion to Bollywood. Truly women power it is. All right, and now that Sandeep is back in his form, let's get ready for the next performance.
हमें भी मौका
An intense
किसी रोज है खुदाया हमें भी मौका दे तू कुछ अपनी रहमतों से हमें भी चौंका दे तू है तेरी सारी महफिल है तेरी दुनियादारी हर पल हमें नचाना है तू हमें बता दी तू ही तो वो क्षितिज है जहाँ जाना चाहते हैं बहता तू ही रब तुझे पाना चाहते हैं है मंजिल हमें है भी हमारी उड़ने की आरज़ू है बिजली की बीमारी है ताला लगाया हमने चाबी
Beautiful, बहुत खूब, रोहन.
Thank you
so much
Neeraj,
for sharing
things
the audience
and to the audience.
to our audience.
One more
If you
song
realize
from the
Rohan
same
has
movie,
a very
a
simple
completely
way,
different
very
mode,
simple
again by
language
Rajesh Khanna,
of getting
presented
his
by
thoughts
Neeraj.
across
Over to you,
to the
Neeraj.
audience. And that is his dream. He says if he can inspire all those people who have given up writing poetry, he says his dream will be realized. He also has a message for the Gen X, as he calls it. He feels that all of them feel that only the so-called senior people can write poetry or they can understand poetry. Rohan wants to get his feeling across to the Gen X that this is something that they also can relate to, and which is why he tries to write in very simple language. That's Rohan for you. Thank you so much for sharing all your wonderful thoughts with us. So to the audience, on behalf of Team Glyphs, we are going to tell you that Rohan and Anish are going to come back for a finale. What we call is the Glyphs style of Jugalbandi. Somebody asked about coffee art. So what we are presenting to you in our finale is Anish with his coffee art and Rohan playing music in the background on his keyboard, a mashup of songs. So over to you, both of you, Anish and Rohan, for the Glyphs finale. Thank you, Neeraj. It was such a beautiful end. See, Neeraj's style of singing actually reminds me of a quote by a very famous player. These singers say, we don't present our voices to the audience, we resonate our souls. I think after listening to the enthusiasm and passion that Neeraj thinks is singing, I think our audience would definitely agree to what I'm saying. We also, for now, I would like Team Glyph promised, we are going to present the finale for today's episode. Raju is going to display some of the pictures of his amazing world travels on the bicycle, and perfectly synchronizing with him, we have Neeraj with the apt song, Mere Sapno Ki Rani, from the movie Aradhana. That movie which resulted in a lifetime of friendship between the Triveni, R.D. Burman, Rajesh Khanna, and Kishore Kumar. So, this is the Jugalbandi in the Glyph style, presenting the finale for today.
Beautiful, Sandeep. We don't have words for this one. So well played. And of course, one of my personal favorites. Thank you so much for that absolutely wonderful performance. And moving on, one more gem. An Evening in Paris. Released in 1967, produced and directed by Shakti Samanta. Fine acting, beautiful locations, and haunting music by the ace music directors Shankar Jaikishan, of course, made this movie a big hit. Presenting the title track of this movie, An Evening in Paris.
your world and showing us this beautiful side of your passion. Also, a special thanks to Himanshu Chitlis and Ashwini Paranse for introducing both Raju and Neeraj to our channel Gliss. So audience, I always say the show on the stage can never become a hit unless there is a strong team working back end. I would especially like to applaud Aniruddha Bide, who handles the technical side of Gliss PCC. He manages the Data Analytics Center of Pune University. Of course, Ankita and Mangesh, who are our from DW Play Solutions, who are our design partners. A special thanks to Salil, Gayatri and Tanushree, the founders of Gliss, who every week do put in a lot of effort to ensure that this program comes to you absolutely in a flawless way.
Amazing. Wow.
Last but not the least,
so much.
a special thanks for audience from India,
Yes to the audience
across the globe, who are always there in all the episodes to encourage us,
you enjoyed
support
this
us in
amazing
all
two
our
art
endeavors.
forms
Coming together.
Thank you
for
again.
our
I am
finale.
your host,
Kavita
on behalf
Avasthi,
of the
signing off
again
for today.
Thank you, Rohan,
We shall
and
be
thank
waiting
you,
to see
Anil.
you
very
on
much.
Sunday
That was
at 5 p.m. with our next
It was a
stellar
pleasure
guest.
performing for all of
And
you.
until
Thanks.
then, do
Thank you
stay
so
home,
much.
Thanks for
stay
letting me
safe,
reconnected with
and
you.
we shall see you on Sunday.
Thanks a
Have
lot
a
for having me.
wonderful
Yes, of course.
weekend ahead.
Special thanks
Thank
to
you
Rohan
and
Raju,
good night
Manas
to everyone.
Thank
And
you.
Vaidehi Sarvesai
To all
for
the audience,
introducing
who
Anish
wish
to
and
connect
Rohan
with
to
our
our
channel. Backstage,
Of course, a special
please
thanks to
press the
audience
button,
who join
raise
us for
hand,
all the
and we
episodes
shall get you
from across
backstage
the
so
globe
that you
and
can
for
interact with them,
And Ashwini,
encouraging
if you
and
want our
supporting us
guests,
always.
especially
The
the
song
song
that we
mentioned
request
this
Aniruddha
you're
Bide,
most welcome
to join us
Ankita,
backstage.
Mangesh,
Thank you
Apurva,
once
and
again, good
Himanshu.
night, and see you
Our
very
strong
soon. Back-end team, and of course to
Wow.
our founders,
Amazing.
Salil,
Yes,
Tanushree,
like you
and
have said,
Gayatri.
such absolute
So guys,
beautiful
I am your
clarity.
host,
And
signing
yes,
off for
Girish
today.
Kumthekar, you are
This is
right.
Kavita Avasthi,
Sandeep does
and I
play
shall
the
be waiting
harmonica
to see you
as
again
well.
on our
Truly
next
passionate to the
episode
hilt. Absolutely. So
Thursday
after
again.
such beautiful